Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something different again using this. This is actually a pot scrubber or a glass scrubber, I'm not too sure. I suppose you could use it either or. I'm going to run through my colors very quickly. So all of my colors are Liquitex Basics. My brown, I've added these two together and a teeny bit of black to get this beautiful dark brown. I also have Copper by Art, and I've added a little black to also get it darker, and you'll see that my consistency is quite thin. I have Beryllium Orange. I actually have a lot of colors, and then I've made up some orange here as well, a darker orange with red and orange, and I've got a little bit of red. So it's all Liquitex Basics, and here's a little bit of gold of Art, and of course, you know, a bit of yellow. So what I'd like to do first is cover my canvas. So I'm going to go into into the corners first, and you'll see why in a bit. There's a method to my madness. So I haven't done this before. This is now the first time I'm doing it. So hopefully it's going to pan out the way what's in my head will hopefully come out in the canvas. I might go, I want the edges to be a lot darker. I'll just get that, I'll be tilting it in a bit. And then I'm going to put in this copper as well. Actually, I wonder, just put a little bit of copper here and there. And then I'm going to put a bit of white in the center, and the reason why I'm putting the white in the center is because I don't want to make green. So pretty much I'm trying to avoid making green. Okay. So this didn't turn out 100% what I wanted, but it is pretty much what I had in mind. I love the way this copper is actually blending in with the dark brown. So guys, yes, that's done with the brush, and I think that there can be, you know, a lot more that you could do with it. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.